Tales of the Yawning Portal is a collection of older adventures, including the Sunless Citadel, the Forge of Fury, the Hidden Shrine of Temochan, White Plume Mountain, Dead in Thay, Against the Giants, and Tome of Horrors. It centers around a tavern, the Yawning Portal, and the Yawning Portal has essentially a pit that goes down into a collection of other dungeons and essentially into the Underdark. And it's a very famous book that collects older editions. So it's a collection of adventures that hang together as a single adventure. Highly unique book. Really, really unique.